In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the announcement bar in Squarespace 7.1, step by step, so you can highlight an important update, promotion, sale, or message at the top of your website. This is one of the easiest ways to grab attention right away, and it works great if you want visitors to see a limited time offer, shipping update, or a simple call to action as soon as they land on your site. Just keep in mind that you do need a premium Squarespace plan to use this feature. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, from your main Squarespace dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click Website. This will take you into the area where you manage your site structure and tools. Next, click Pages. This opens your page panel where you normally see your main navigation and not linked sections. Now scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page's sidebar. Keep going past your regular page lists until you reach the Extra Tools section. At the bottom, click Website Tools. On some accounts, this may still be labeled Marketing Tools, so don't worry if you see a slightly different name. Once you open that section, you should see the announcement bar option. Click it to access the settings. This is where you can turn the bar on, write your message, and customize what visitors will see. You can usually use this space for short, attention-grabbing text, and depending on your setup, you may be able to add a button or link to send users to a specific page or offer. A good announcement bar message should be simple, clear, and direct. For example, you might use it to promote a sale, announce free shipping, share a new product launch, or direct people to a booking page. Keep the wording short so it looks clean on desktop and mobile. After you enter your message, review the settings carefully and make sure the announcement bar is enabled. Then save your changes so it appears on your live site. If you don't see the option, double check that your plan includes this feature because Squarespace requires a premium plan for the announcement bar. Also, if your site has multiple pages or a header layout, preview how the bar looks across different devices so you can make sure it displays properly. That way, your message stays visible without interfering with your site design. And that's it, you now know how to use the announcement bar in Squarespace 7.1. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you want to communicate quickly with your visitors. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Squarespace tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.